preset. అలా చూసి చెప్తే అంటే ట్రిప్ రీసెట్ అంతే. సో వీ హ్యావ్ స్టార్టెడ్ ద ట్రిప్. పెట్రోల్ రీఫిల్ हो रहा है. అయిపోయిందా? ఓకే డన్.
Same here, raps without beard, okay?
So he is a new person and he is also the new person. So this trip is of the different people. Card. So this trip to a different place with different people, not everyone, but two
And
people are
different
different.
states also.
Catch you guys on the road.
Turn slightly left onto National Highway 44.
First toll of the journey. We are now on the way to Bangalore. This is Kurnool Highway. This is the Bangalore Highway, I think, not Kurnool Highway. On the way to Bangalore, you will find Kurnool and all other cities. As usual, I am driving. We started at the night, so you might not find great footage. I'll be recording with my mobile phone. I just have my GoPro. GoPro is very bad at night and the dark conditions. So till the morning, you have to bear with me with this footage. From tomorrow, we'll have GoPro footage, and that should be better than this. Until then, enjoy the drive. And this is the first time, not first time going to Bangalore, but first time I'm going to Bangalore by road, and I'm super excited. I heard a lot of good reviews about this highway. Let's see how many hours I'll take to reach Bangalore. We still have 580 kilometers to reach Mysore, and Google is showing around 9 hours 40 minutes. I think we will cover it, or maybe we'll beat Google's time. So we have a plan to stay in Mysore tomorrow because we all are working. We have not taken leave tomorrow. We'll be visiting Mysore local places tomorrow. We'll manage our work tomorrow since now we can work from home. We'll try to finish our work quickly, office work, and then we'll try to visit nearby places in Mysore. Tomorrow night we'll be staying in Mysore and we'll be traveling to Wayanad the next day.
రాంగ్ రూట్ ఇది.
Arey yaar, just look at the accident, man.
రాంగ్ రూటా? నా చూడు కారు అటు తిరిగాడు.
ఎవరు రాంగ్ రూట్ ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ?
మనుషులుగా ఏం కాదులే.
It's not about overtaking, it's about overtaking it in a proper way. Judging that.
That's what
Time judgment.
That's what I was saying. The guy might have taken wrongly. Okay. Not So basically what I say.
See,
you have to
overtaking.
only, you have to make
See, if you
only-
say you should not overtake, then no one will go like forward. Everyone will be in the line, and you will not reach your destination tomorrow. You'll reach it day after tomorrow.
See boss, you have to always maintain 80 kilometers per hour. రాఘవ చెప్పేది సేఫ్టీ.
You know, sometimes judging that, you know, the distance and the speed you are carrying, that differs a lot.
End of the Kismat
That's true. End of the day kismat hona chahiye. That's a different thing. I hope people in that car are safe. Like looking at the accident, I think the body is still intact. We are 40 kilometers away from Anantapur. The drive is going very good. The toll's price is also on a little higher side, but that's okay. Like by looking at the road, the way they are maintaining it, it's worth the money. I don't know, I always feel that wherever I go, right, whatever line I take in this toll gate, I feel that my line is going slow. So I haven't told you the plan, right? Where are we going to? I think I have already told you where are we going to, but I did not tell you the complete itinerary what we are planning to do. So we are planning to visit Wayanad and Chikmagalur. So first we are planning to visit Wayanad, stay there for a day or two, and from there we'll be traveling to Chikmagalur. Same, like in Chikmagalur also we'll stay for 1 or 2 days and then back to Hyderabad. We have have covered 320 kilometers, 340 kilometers more to go, and we covered 320 kilometers in 4 hours. After having chai, we leave. A small 10 minutes break. Not required though, but we just wanted to have chai in this cold weather. That's the only reason for stopping here. So finally we have entered Bangalore. The great thing is we reached Bangalore in just 5.5 hours. We started at 11:45 p.m. and now the time is 5:20 and we reached in almost 5.5 hours, including breaks in between. But the only problem is they should have had an outer ring road kind of thing, like not entering into the city and just going out of the Bangalore. I thought it's an outer ring road. We will not get into the city. Luckily we have entered the city in the morning. That is the reason we are not finding a lot of traffic. What if we would have entered the city in the peak time? I think this would have killed a lot of our time.
తమ్ముడు ఇదే అవుటర్ రింగ్ రోడ్
అవునా
ఓవరాల్
ఇది outer ring road
అదే ప్రాబ్లం మరి.
Yeah, this is the outer ring road. It seems I don't know if my brother knows about this or he's just talking.
What is this? I was in Bangalore for 5 years.
Okay, I'll believe you. So tasting Udupi hotel food in Karnataka. So let's see how it is. We are done with the breakfast. Breakfast was very good. Especially sambar. You have to taste sambar of Karnataka. This is totally different from the sambar what we get in Hyderabad. The expected time of arrival in Mysore is 10:30. We have finally reached the hotel here. It's not a hotel, basically it's a service apartment. Let me give you a super quick room tour and then we'll talk about other things. This is a hall kind of thing, hall cum bedroom. He is working from home. No, later. So this is a hall cum bedroom. You have a TV here and then wash basin, a kitchen. You don't have stove or utensils to cook, and then you have a bathroom. Unfortunately there is only one bathroom here, and there is another bedroom. Yes, here is where I am working. So WFH is not working from home. WFH it's working from holiday. So yeah, but there's a cupboard to store your luggage. We took approximately 6 hours to reach Bangalore, and it took 4 hours to reach Mysore from Bangalore. I thought there will be an expressway from Bangalore to Mysore because it's a very high traffic area and people will be traveling very often, but to my surprise there was nothing. Chalo, hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.